frozen citrus yogurt bark. So we have Greek yogurt, and there you just add about a tablespoon of honey and mix that together. And then here I have protein powder, which we're gonna mix with a bit of cardamom and cinnamon. And you mix that together with just a touch of water until it's the same consistency as the yogurt. And now I have a parchment-lined baking sheet and a bunch of sliced up citrus. And the citrus can be whatever you want. I like a mixture of grapefruit and oranges. And this part is where we dollop everything onto a sheet of parchment paper. And then you dollop the protein powder in all the spaces that you left open. And the citrus is going on top, so the swirl doesn't have to be super artistic, medium artistic. And you want it about a centimeter thick. Okay. And now we just layer the citrus. They can overlap if you want. I think it freezes better when they just touch on the edges, but totally up to you, your design, your snack. You probably won't get the whole thing covered, and that's totally okay. The white gaps are kind of nice to have. They also make it easier to slice, and then you can see the swirls on the bottom, so it all works together. When you get to this part, you can cut this into pieces and fill in any gaps. And that's just so you don't waste anything. And this will need to freeze at least for an hour before you use it. I recommend 6 hours, but if you can't resist the urge, just give it an hour. And this is what it looks like after it's done. You can see the citrus has frozen through. It's really pretty and it's ready to slice.